How to change your age on TikTok. So first, of course, you have to launch your TikTok application and you just have to go to your profile. Now, here's the thing. Even if you go anywhere here, any options here, there's no option that says change your age. So you can change your age here on TikTok. Go to edit profile, go to settings or whatsoever. All you have to do now is to just simply tap these three lines at the top right corner, click settings and privacy, scroll down, and then look for report a problem. Tap report a problem, scroll down again, and then kindly look for account and profile. Tap that one. And then here, after you tap that, you just have to scroll down and then kindly look for option that says editing profile. Scroll down, click other, and then here you have to click need help. So you have to scroll down and click need more help. So after you tap this one, it will take you directly to this. Tell us your feedback, and all you have to do is simply tell them your problem. So I want to change my birth date, or I want to change my age, or you can simply copy this also. Please help me to change my birth date, or please help me. I answered a wrong birth date. I want to change it to this. You can also add your birthday here. Okay. And then you should also tell them that you really need to change it for some reasons. Okay. So this is just an example, and you can copy this one. And then you can add or import picture or video here. It serves as your proof that you have answered a wrong information about your birthday. And then once done, click submit. Now you just have to wait for the customer service team to help you with this matter. So you just have to wait for a couple of days, weeks, I don't know. But you just have to wait for that and rest assured that this problem will be fixed. Now, if you don't want to ask for a help or you don't want to do the stuff here, then you can simply create your own new account and enter the correct birth date. You just have to tap this one and then click add new account or add account. Tap this one. And all you have to do is to enter some information here. You can sign up using your Facebook, with your Google, and other social account here. And then that's it. You just have to enter the correct birth date, and you can now enjoy using your TikTok again. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.